Hi guys, it's Vikram here from Solution Domain. Today in this video we are going to see how to cancel Amazon Prime membership subscription. Go to Google and type Amazon Prime. Click on the first link and you need to log in into your Amazon Prime membership account with valid credentials. Next, tap on your profile icon and select Account and Settings. Under Prime membership option, click on Edit on Amazon button. Open desktop site in your mobile web browser. Click on Manage Membership drop-down. You will see your plan details like monthly plan amount, renewal date, and to cancel or update your membership, you need to click on the third option. To end membership, you need to click on End Membership button. Here you need to click on Continue to cancel. Again click on Continue to cancel. To confirm the membership cancellation, you need to click on End on the Renewal Date button. And you will see Auto Renew cancelled successfully. Your Prime membership will not auto renew on March 21st, 2022, which is my renewal date. And this is how you cancel Amazon Prime membership subscription in your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, be safe and take care.